Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you need to learn how to trade Forex and learn how to grab hundreds and hundreds of pips. So this will change your life forever, guys. So I will show you 4 super easy rules to trade the market. Hopefully everything makes sense, and let's go. So basically the title is the following: stop being lazy and learn how to trade Forex like a pro, right? So I will show you 1,790 pips that we are in it. So as you all know, this is Teamwitherving here. If you want the best tips, tricks, and analysis here in our Forex channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification so to be notified, so you will never miss any content from us. So let me go ahead and show you how you need to learn not to depend on signal, guys. So this is mostly to tell everyone to stop paying for signal, guys. You don't really need signal. You need to learn how to trade the market. So if you do not know, so the best thing here, guys, here on the Forex, we are trading 4 larger time frames. So you always need to concentrate on 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. That's where the money is located, guys. So stop paying for signal, learn the basics. So look here on our multiple time frame, the way how we trade the market, it is the following, guys. So I'm gonna give you an example here on gold. On gold right now we have 1,415 pips. So this is how we collect this over 1,000 pips, guys. We look at the multiple time frame, letting us know that we were in a sell. Our sniper entry come in and give us the signal. Even our white multiple time frame arrow also confirm. We have the stairs coming clearly telling us the market is selling, and look at what happened. Boom, market is dropping. So right now at this present time, guys, most likely for next week the market is gonna give us a pullback, but to be honest, the market still in a sell trend. So right now the market is trend. Look at the stair, one brand new stair just pop in at this present time. And we also, guys, we always pay attention how whatever the dashboard is doing. So if you like to trade 50-minute and 30-minute, tell you that it is selling. 1 hour is telling you the market it is already in an uptrend. So but that is a pullback. So guys, to be honest, you don't need to depend on signal. Stop paying for signal. It's very easy to learn how to trade the market. Let me give you another example. Actually, let me give you 3 so you can see it. So right now we have 1,400 pips in here, right? So let me show you on Euro NCD. Here's Euro NCD. There's another 78 pips in there. So there's plenty of pips here on the market. So it's very straightforward how we use this. So like I say, you know, always pay attention to the 4 super easy rules that you need to look at the market, which is your time frame. So that's what we call this multiple time frame. We look at 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. So look at here. So multiple time frame come in and right on this pair, and it was straightforward. It told you here the market was in a what? Was in a buy position. Oops, I grabbed the wrong tool. Let me make sure I grab the right tool. There you go. Multiple time frame coming in there telling us that we are in an uptrend. Then what happened next? It is the following. Here it is. Here's our sniper entry confirming that we also are in a uptrend. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie. It's going where? It's going bullish. So that's exactly what the market is doing. So at this real time, guys, the market is still in an uptrend. Look at here, multiple time frame came in favor of what? Of that buy position, and that's why the market it is bullish here. Look at this. This is Euro NCD. Euro NCD, it is right now on profit. There you go. So it's very easy. Really, you don't need to be paying on signal, guys. Learn how to trade like a pro. Look, there is so many other websites that you can look into, like baby pips and so on. So if you don't know, go back to, you know, I just want to be honest and clean and transparent, guys. The best website to learn this business for free, go to baby pips. You're gonna get all the knowledge that you need, and then later on you can hire whoever you want so they can give you, like, you know, a different type of strategy, whatever they're using. But stop paying for signal. Don't depend on signal, because signal is not gonna do any good at the end of the day. So you can pay as much as you want, but at the end of the day, you're not gonna know what the market is doing. All right, so this is the best tips that I can give you guys. Learn how to trade yourself. Stop wasting your money on what? On signals, because signals are not gonna take you anywhere. So here on the channel, guys, we do a lot of weekly analysis. We release video on Saturdays, which is the midweek analysis, and also we do videos on Sunday, which is the weekly. So if you want to see what the market is doing, make sure you hit the bell notification below, so you will never ever miss any content from us, so you can stay up to today's day with our system. So alright, so let me go show you another pair, guys, that is also in profit. So today I'm showing you over 1,700 pips. So this is another pair that we took with our team behind scenes. So because we have a team that it trade with us like a pro. Pay close attention to the dashboard here, guys. So this is very straightforward. Look at here on AUD USD, the market is clearly telling you that everything is selling. Guys, the description of our multiple time frame is in the description of this video. Go ahead and click in there if you are interested, and come and join us, and we are gonna teach you not to be a signal. You will not to be paying on signal, I'm sorry, and you will be a personal signal to yourself. That's what you need to know, guys, really. So but pay close attention to the dashboard. Dashboard is telling you everything is selling. So let me kind of like show you how simple this stuff is, guys, because to be honest, Forex is not hard. But if you start depending on somebody else, oh my goodness, you're always gonna be on the red folder, to be honest. Pay close attention here. Look at here, guys. So the system is very easy to use. Look at here, multiple time frame coming in here. Sniper entry shows the market is in a buy position. Look at the stairs. Stairs are green. When the market is bullish, it tells you that it's green, boom, boom, boom. What happened when it's in a sell position? So same thing, multiple time frame has to pop in. A sniper entry has to pop in as well. Look at the big arrow in there. And where is the stairs coming in right now? Look at that. Stairs are coming in one direction only. For instance, this pair here has been bearish for how many pips right now? So 361 blue pips, guys. That is amazing. That could be $36,000, $300, 360 bucks. There's a lot of money in there. Look at this trade here. In this trade right now, we have 270 pips at this present time. So all what we did here, guys, is like we look at the multiple time frame letting us know in which direction was the market heading. So look at the dashboard. The dashboard is telling you everything is on the red folder. So that's why the market took off. So where do we enter on this trade, right? So let me make the candle a bit bigger so you can see it, but let me delete everything here, all these arrows, so you will not get confused, right? So let me do that. Ready? There you go. That's more than enough. So where do we enter in this trade, guys? We enter this trade right where the multiple time frame pop in, going in favor of our sell position. Because remember, the trend is sell. We entered in there, and guess what? Then boom, market gave us all these massive pips in here. So the system is very easy to use. The link is below in the description of this video. If you want to join us, come and take a look at it, but stop spending money on signal, guys. You need to learn the basics. If you don't want to pay no one, is fine. Go to babypips.com and learn the basics in there, so you don't have to pay. So but you must learn how to trade, because look, this business is amazing. It's amazing, unique skills that you're gonna have in your belt, and this is the best ATM, the best job in the world, because I mean, it's money that you're gonna print money every single day of your life, as long as you know the basics. All right, so Yeah, guys. So let me know in the comment below if any of you have any question. If you are finding this video, helpful to you, so make sure you give us a heads up, and and put any comment that you want, and we're gonna wrestle that one with you. Look, as we speak right now, guys, this trade keep growing and growing. Look, it was 270, now it's 271.5. So the market is going. It's still going where? Still bearish, guys. I'm telling you. Look at, let's go back to gold so you can see gold. Look at when gold was what, 1400 pips. Look at that, 1400 pips, guys. That could be $14,000 in your pocket. But you must learn how to trade, how to grab these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips here on the market. Look at this beauty of grabbing these hundreds and pips, guys. But if you are depending on somebody else's idea, no way, you will never succeed in this business. All right. Hopefully this makes sense. If not, please let me know in the comment below so we can stay. And make sure you guys subscribe. Tomorrow we're gonna go live. Actually, this evening we're gonna go live. Not tomorrow, Friday. We're just gonna take off. But this today, we're just gonna do a live class. So come and join us if you guys want. And let's go, guys. So let's get this hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Make sure, like I said earlier, guys, stop being lazy and learn how to trade Forex like a pro. I just show you over 1,790 blue pips the market is paying us. 1,000, guys. Only 3 trades giving us over 1,700 pips, guys. It's that simple. So once again, guys, stop wasting your money. Come and join us if you want to learn with us. Remember, this is Teamwitherving here. Let's go. Let's grab these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? Wait. And hundreds of pips. Let's go, guys. So thank you again for coming in, and make sure you subscribe, share this video with your fellow traders, and I will see you tomorrow. Hasta la vista, guys. Peace out.